Hey everybody, this is Paul 125 Roller Coaster Challenge here at Kidzopolis over at Six Flags New England. So we're going to walk through this section real quick here, and you can see that Superman is in the background over the first drop. Look over here, here's the Zinger Swings. Now, while a lot of these ones are themed after Looney Tunes here at Six Flags Park, this one doesn't really have that kind of theme. It's more of a general theme. So right here is Ships Ahoy. Now, when you head over here, you actually got Wild Wheelz, which looks like a fun safari type theme. All the little cars. Now you got a Primo pizza right here. And over there is the stairs that take you down to Gotham City. So we're going to head over here real quick here. This is a Whirlybirdz, which is helicopters. And there goes Superman in the background. So over here is a thing called Krazy cars, which I'm not going to lie to you, these look pretty cool. Yeah, these are some of the most colorful and fun cars I think I've ever seen out of the kids section here. But it's got a basic track. Right in the background there is the mouse Escape from Arkham Asylum. You have a fresh cafe right here, so you can eat healthy-ish. As you come over here, you got the Zoom Jets. Which has a really nice theme to it. Alright, there's a good shot of Gotham Gauntlet, Escape from Arkham Asylum. So this is the second of two kids sections that they have over here at this park. Here is the Zoom Jets. And of course here we're getting ready to leave Kidzopolis, but before you leave there you got a Primo pizza. And then you have a kids section that has a stage right here. I believe this is called Center Stage. So we're going to do one more quick little walkthrough in this direction, just because it is a pretty small section, but it's got a lot of cool stuff there. Here's the Zoom Jets going. Come over here. The Fresh Cafe actually has black bean burgers, so if you're trying to eat a little healthier, that's where you want to go. So the neat thing is there's a Primo pizza we just passed, and there's another Primo pizza here. So if you're looking for Primo pizzas, this is the section you want to go. I think the Krazy cars are probably the best thing in this section here. But there we are. This is us, Wild Wheelz. So welcome to Kidzopolis at Six Flags, New England.